here. First, do you sell the rings, and if so, how much? The ready-made ring we are not sell it. We are sell the bulk materials for making the ring. If you want to make this ring, you need to buy the memory wire, buy the beads, and buy the copper wire to make it by yourself. Yeah, this is non-tarnish. We are sell it the bulk materials and show you the tutorial how to make it. So if you are interested in the ring, you can learn how to make. Yeah. Okay, here. We are make a eye ring to match with this design. This is a channel that shows you how to make this ring, and the customer can be learn here how to make. Okay, so this time we're going to use the seam beads, these small size beads. So here. Thank you. Okay, so it's glue the beads between the two wire, and here 0.3. We will be cut it 2 pieces the wire 0.3. Okay. This one. 2 wire. Or 3 wire, we can use the 3. Here. This one, I use 3 pieces of the wire, and here the piece of the beads, then we put here, this way. Okay, tight. Here, and the tight. You can see here, then with the 3 other extra wire will go cut, and the tight. Okay, wave. When we wave it, be careful. And tight. Here. Need to keep the 3 wire neat. Hi. Hello, my fur baby. I will show you the piece you ask later. Yeah. Here, this one. You will find that use 3 pieces of the wire to wrap in this technique with the small beads. It come out a little bit different look. Okay, here, this one, and the tight here, and the come here layer by layer. Okay, here. This one, fold, and the come this one. Okay, and the wave. Hi those. I'm good. We are making a ring today. Here, tight. It uses 3 pieces of the wire together, make a eye ring. Here. Okay, the last. Here, so it's another ring. What time do you come? I always seem to miss the first part you make. I normally come New York time 8:20. 8:20. Yeah, New York time 8:20 p.m. Yeah, so here this one we are making the 2 ring. One is this small one. It's memory wiring, and this one also memory wiring. Both the 2 ring is strong enough, not easy to be out of shape. So these 2 here, these 2 the ring. Then we continue make by another wire.